office in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Williamson County, northeastern Burnett County, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Watson, or 12 miles southeast of Lampasas, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gerald, Florence, Mohammed, Sunderland, Watson, Joppa, and Dice, Briggs, Shady Grove, and State Highway 195. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of